In today's video, I am going to teach you how to analyze revenue attribution for your content in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are looking at the main navigation. This walkthrough will help you build a revenue attribution report that ties closed revenue back to specific content, so you can see which assets are contributing to deals. First, go to Reporting. From there, open Reports, and then choose Create Report. This takes you into the Report Builder, where you can select the type of report you want to create. Next, choose Attribution, then select Revenue, and click Next. Revenue attribution reporting focuses on crediting revenue to the marketing touchpoints that influenced a deal. Choosing the revenue option is important because it keeps the report centered on closed revenue instead of just traffic or engagement. Now you will set your visualization. Select a chart type and choose bar, or select a chart style you prefer. Bar charts are often the easiest to read for comparisons, especially when you want to quickly spot top-performing content. After that, go to Dimensions. This is where you decide how the data is grouped. Select content type if you want a high-level view, like how blogs compare to landing pages. Or select asset title if you want a more detailed breakdown that shows performance for individual pieces of content. If you are presenting results to others, content type can be a clearer starting point. If you are optimizing specific campaigns, asset title usually gives you the most actionable detail. Next, open Filters and set your close date range. This is a key step because revenue attribution is most meaningful when it matches the period you are evaluating. Choose a date range that aligns with your reporting window, such as a recent month, quarter, or any custom timeframe you use internally. Setting the close date ensures the report reflects deals that actually closed in that period. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Save in the top right. Give your report a clear name so it is easy to find later, especially if you plan to revisit it regularly. And that covers everything you need to know.